Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball ball stuck on loading screen. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball ball stuck on loading screen, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this window you will enter to 8-ball ball. When you will find this window of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you will find this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.